Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. This one is a POV. The car's a bit dirty, so I won't show you guys outside or anything, but you know, just a little nighttime POV, city drive. Let me know if you guys think the new tint is too dark, because I think this is my first like full-on POV with tint. So let me know if it's too dark for you guys to see, because you know, I can always change it up if you guys think it's too dark. But the car looks nicer though. But let me know what you guys think. That looks like my Lexus I had. Jeez, this car's sick. I don't know, I'll probably just go through the city a little bit more. You know, I'll make it a city POV because I was just gonna hit the back roads right now, but you know, I don't think I've made a city POV before, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little drive around. You guys may have seen the clip in the beginning of this video if I put it there. That was some crazy pulls. I did not know my intake was that loud from outside. It's crazy, but the car sounds insane. I'm gonna make a video of like all my mods again, because now the car is kind of like done, like closer to being done than my last mod list that I made. So you know, I'm gonna make a new one for you guys with the updated parts and everything. But that's when I wash the car, because right now the car is a little bit dirty. But that guy's moving back. Damn, what's that? That's a 4 Series? Look at the M. Yo, that's the M4 convertible. That's just hard. It's the new ones. Damn, you guys are gonna be hearing my map because I had my map on, but now I'm off route. So listen to that intake, man. Jesus. But yeah, if you guys are from Ottawa, most likely a lot of you guys have seen me, because I went to a car meet and a bunch of people there were like, yo, I watch your videos. I'm like, damn, that's actually sick. I didn't know like people actually from Ottawa watch my videos, so that's pretty sick. I'm gonna do like a POV drive downtown, because this is not like downtown Ottawa, like Byward, if you guys know what I'm talking. If you guys are from Ottawa, you definitely know where I'm talking. But I gotta make a POV down there. It's pretty sick, but I've never done it before. But there's always a bunch of cops though, that's why. And I don't know, with these pops, kind of risky. Talking of cops, there's
police
one right
reported
there.
ahead.
Look at them. Let me go quiet with the puffs. I think this guy wants to go back in the straight lane. He can go, bro. I won't cut you off. You chillin', fam. Look at bro going. You better hope there's not a red light camera, because you're gonna get a fat ticket. Man, there's hella traffic, bro. I'm probably just gonna turn left here, cause I'm not trying to deal with that traffic. I'm just trying to make a POV. Damn, these roads are bad. I don't even know where I'm going, to be honest. I'm just driving around. Damn, these roads are bad. Jeez. Bow, bow, bow. See the pop stop sometimes, like I always say in my videos, but I think it's just a safety measure with like MHD. I think it's just safer for the car not to be popping like non-stop, you know. I don't mind it though, because the car, it sounds good when it pops, it sounds good when it doesn't, because then you hear the intake and the shifts better. Sometimes I be using this thing to shift. I don't know. Sometimes I use the paddle, sometimes I use this. It just really depends on what I feel like. Because sometimes I'm using both. Sometimes I downshift with this, then I upshift with this. It's just fun. You know, it's just fun. Feels like a manual, kind of. But I like manual cars. I know a bunch of people, because even a bunch of people are like, yo, it's a 335i manual. I'm like, nah, it's auto. But I like manual cars, but I prefer auto. I just like the sound of the shifts in auto more, because it makes that like boop sound, you know. I love that sound. But the manual cars won't do that, because, you know, obviously you're like pressing the clutch and all of that. But yeah, manual is sick though. I think it would be fun to own one, but just the sound of this, I love this. I might get a manual in the future, I don't know. But I'm also not the best at driving manual, but I can, but I'm not the best. But if I get one, I would definitely learn. But they seem fun though. I've driven one before. They seem fun, but you know, I just went with auto for this. I don't even know if they made manual in the 335s. Maybe the older one, the E models, but the F30s, I've never seen a manual myself, but maybe they have them, not sure. The thing with Springs, you gotta know the road that you're driving on. I actually know this road now. I was lost for a second, but I know this street. But I know there's a bunch of like crazy potholes, because if you don't know the road, you're gonna mess your lip up, you know, especially when you're lowered. Oof, good thing I didn't scrape on that one there. I think there's a little underpass, but my pops are gone. Damn. There, it's back, it's back. I'm gonna give you guys a little pull under there. Damn, that car sounds mad nasty, yo. I'm so in love with the car now, I swear. Like, every single day I just look at the car and I'm just smiling. I drive it, I'm smiling. It's never ending fun. And that's the great part, you know. That's why it's worth it. If it keeps you happy, bro, just do it. But yeah, the videos have been going crazy. My channel has grown mad fast. You know, I've been getting a bunch of views on the videos. Like, every video has like over 1,000 views that I've been uploading. That's crazy to me. Like, I didn't know I could like average 1,000 viewers. You know, that's freaking awesome. And the likes, the comments, like everything is just so good. You know, you guys are killing the support. You know, the nicest comments, when I read the comments, I smile. I genuinely smile. You know, I'm like, damn, this is really nice. You know, so I appreciate you guys a ton. Like, and I'm gonna continue to push out videos for you guys, make as much content as I can, share the build, show you guys whatever I have planned for the future. Yeah, thank you guys for watching another video again. I really appreciate the support, like I said, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.